Hey, what's up guys? This is Hamlet News. This video is going to be all about the Bellroy Tech Kit. Priced at $59, the Bellroy Tech Kit is the perfect gift for any college student. Every student needs a good tech kit. Bellroy's Tech Kit has many pockets and loops, keeping all your chargers and dongles, AirPods, and work from anywhere tech accessories neat and organized. Whether you're studying in the library or traveling, the Bellroy Tech Kit is a daily essential. With a few alternatives on the market, we chose Bellroy's Tech Kit for a few reasons. Number 1. Efficient organization. On one side of the kit contains two mesh pockets. These pockets could fit a MacBook, charging brick, mouse, or anything of similar size. On the other side contains 6 elastic loops, 4 smaller and 2 larger. The smaller loops could be used for earphones or USB cords, while the larger loops are convenient for laptop or cell phone charging cords. Behind the side with the loops, there is a slip pocket perfect for a notepad or a portable charger. The second reason is its ergonomic design. At first glance, the Bellroy Tech Kit passes the eye test with its modern, classy aesthetic. It is made out of polyester with subtle hits of leather throughout. The Bellroy Tech Kit opens flat, which makes all your tech accessories extremely accessible. No more digging until you feel something that might be what you're looking for. Plus, the contrasting color lining makes it even easier to see what you're looking for. As for its structure, the Bellroy Tech Kit is the perfect balance of flexibility and sturdiness. Bellroy's Tech Kit comes in 5 different colors: navy, gray, black, blue, and orange. Bellroy also sells a compact version of the Tech Kit for only $55. It's available at a number of places online and retail electronic stores. That about wraps it up, guys. Thanks and have a great one.